Deye CNI PV BESS EV Charging Integrated Solution unlocks new possibilities with exceptional quality. CNI Liquid-Cooled ESS PV Plus On-Off-Grid Switching Cabinet, 480 kW DC Charge Power Cabinet, and 180 kW Dual-Gun DC Charging Terminal, delivering one integrated solution for all scenarios. Both AC and DC CNI Liquid-Cooled ESS feature an all-in-one design for an easier O&M. 430 kWh capacity delivers solid support for key scenarios. Liquid cooling with smart control keeps cell temperature difference under 2.5 degrees Celsius. 3+3 level fire protection provides robust safety coverage. 3+3 electrical protection for stable, reliable performance. AC/DC dual leakage and insulation detection creates layered safety protection. Salt spray, rain, and sun resistant. Greater than or equal to C4 anti-corrosion. IP54 protection. Operating noise less than or equal to 70 decibels. Rock solid stability. Supports up to 10 MC LC430-282 in parallel. 480 kW DC Charge Power Cabinet. High efficiency, powerful output. High power with multiple outputs. MS Series 180 kW Dual-Gun DC Charging Terminal. Supports CCS2 plugs, boosts charging speed by 40%. 30-inch giant screen drives business value. 4 terminals in parallel handle peak loads. Allows up to 4 CCS2 dual-gun charging terminals simultaneously. MS Series PV Plus On-Off-Grid Switching Cabinet MS MPPT 402. All-in-one cabinet with solar access and seamless grid-off-grid switching. Supporting PV, loads, diesel generator, and grid. MS Series PV Switching Cabinet. Featuring a split-type floor stack design. Enables DC coupling of PV modules with the energy storage system. MPPT, ESS, Power Cabinet, and EV Charging Terminal, clearly connected for flexible expansion. Solar energy supplied first, with energy storage backing up the shortfall. If solar and energy storage are offline, the grid seamlessly switches on to handle EV load shortages. High-power flexible charging enables cross-cabinet power management during module failures, overcoming grid capacity limits. Increased energy density reduces footprint by 40%. Powered by Deye Cloud and AI-driven machine learning, optimizing every kilowatt-hour for maximum efficiency and returns. Charge in valleys, profit in peaks. Smart dispatch increases returns by 30%. Revenue from charging, electricity price differences, and advertising. Maximizing profitability for commercial communities, highway service areas, airport hubs, and islands. Rooted in safety, empowered by intelligence. Deye CNI PV BESS EV Charging Integrated Solution brings zero-carbon energy to every industry.